In this video, I will show you how to download and install LibreOffice in your Windows PC. LibreOffice is an open source office suite that is the best match to Microsoft Office. To download and install LibreOffice on your Windows, simply open your browser and on the address bar type libreoffice.org. Once you type libreoffice.org, it will open this page for you. Here you click on download. The moment you click on download, you'll be expected to choose the version of the LibreOffice you need. You can just click here, you see other versions of the LibreOffice, and of course you can choose the operating system of your PC, and you can also choose the architecture of your CPU. Here you can just simply click on this particular first one to download it. The moment you click on that, the download will automatically begin, and you can see it from the download option here. After the download, simply click on this LibreOffice to begin the installation. Click on next. You can leave it at typical so that it will install with the default components of this LibreOffice. Click on next. You can create a shortcut on the desktop by checking this. You click on next to click on install to get the installation done. You can just click on close and the installation is complete. Simply click on this finish, and then it will require you for a reboot in order to finish up with the installation. After the reboot, simply double click on the Libre icon on the desktop. The moment you double click on it, it will open up for you. Here you can easily create a document using the writer document and a spreadsheet using the calc spreadsheet.